Welcome to the video, where we dive into a common problem faced by many spreadsheet users. So here's the problem at hand. You're working on a spreadsheet to reformat data based on intellectual property criteria. Specifically, you're dealing with columns A, L, and M, where each country has its unique formatting style. However, the formula you're using isn't placing special characters correctly, causing a headache when trying to extract the desired values. The goal is to get the correct output format from the input data. Now, let's delve into the first part of the solution. The key lies in using the formula equal text B2 substitute C2 1 0. This formula transforms the input data in B2 based on the format string in C2. By replacing placeholders such as 1 with 0 and escaping special characters like, the formula ensures the correct arrangement of elements in the output. This precise manipulation of the input data guarantees the desired formatting outcome, resolving the issue you encountered. Building upon the initial solution, let's explore a more advanced approach to tackle the problem. By utilizing the formula equals text B2 text join true fluid sequence C2 lambda A substitute A if A equal 1 0 and A, you can further customize the formatting process. This formula iterates through each character in the format string, substituting 0 for 1 and retaining other characters as they are. The use of lambda function allows for dynamic character substitution, ensuring precise control over formatting nuances. This meticulous handling of input data guarantees accurate and tailored output formats, enhancing the overall efficiency of your spreadsheet tasks. To sum it up, we've explored effective solutions to refine your data formatting process, overcoming the challenges posed by incorrect character placement. By leveraging the provided formulas, you can streamline your workflow and achieve the desired output with precision. I hope this video was helpful in resolving your spreadsheet formatting dilemma. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy formatting!